Come on, it'll be fun.
I'll give you fun.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you fantastic.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you fun.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you musical.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you nice words.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you handyman.
Mr. Rude.
I'll give you joy. I'll give you a concert.
Mr. Rude!
I'll unlock something.
Mr. Rude!
I'll show you fast.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you entertainment.
Mr. Crude!
Other theme parks have boring roller coasters. Not at Rudeland.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you final.
Oh, Mr. Rude.
I'll give you delicacy.
Mr. Rude!
The same way I developed this one.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you angry aliens.
Mr. Rude!
Midnight.
Mr. Rude!
I don't give a croissant what you do.
Mr. Rude!
Even if their table manners aren't quite what they should be. Mr. Rude, I'll give you wonderful.
Mr. Rude.
I'll give you moving.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you frightening.
Mr. Rude.
Finally, a shoe store I can love.
Mr. Rude!
Mr. Rude! I'll give you good night.
Mr. Rude!
This kind of behavior is unacceptable. I'll give you unacceptable.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you a good one. Mr. Rude! I'll give you catching.
Mr. Rude!
Mr. Rude.
Mr. Rude!
I'll give you manners. Mr. Rude, whatever you are going to do, please don't! I'll give you Terror Island.
What?
Oh, never mind this airline. I will take the bus.